So I've just pulled off the seals and you can see it's wet. So that's definitely one of the culprits. If it's the only one, happy days, but it's probably just one of many. But yeah, that's where the water's getting in. So we can see here there was a bit of water ingress, or a good bit actually, the whole front part here. Luckily I chose the right seal because there's so many different ones for this car. And you can see here there's a bit of mold and stuff from when the water splashed back and landed here. Obviously dampness, everything else, Ireland, the climate, it's very damp and, you know, moldy stuff. So yeah, got a brush, I'm going to use this, and a bit of interior cleaner that James gave me thankfully. So I'm going to use this and hopefully give this whole section a good clean up. Okay, so you can see that the mold is still there. That's a lot less visible, but it's still there. So James has given me other stuff called super interior cleaner. So we'll see how super it is. Okay, so you can see I've applied the rubber seal. So this is the front of the hard top. This is where the water is getting in, and this is a brand new seal. Now I actually didn't use adhesive for the whole center part. It slides into like a guider rail, and it was a bit awkward. I used a butter knife, pinched it in between, and then slid it in. Some of it popped out, and you just pinch it back in. So now the whole way along now is nice and smooth, and it's pressed in. And then in the corners, they sort of slot into place with the other rubber seal along the side. So that's done. And I've used a bit of sealer there in the corners just to hold it in place, because I have a feeling that there'll be a good bit of water ingress in the corners because there's a little gap there on each side. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I was watching some forums and things like that where they're saying it's a real pain in the butt, but to be honest with you, once you find the method that works for you, it's fine. So yeah, that's the first one done. I needed the 2 hands, but I've tightened both of these guys up. They look a bit rusty now. I might use WD-40 or else try and get new ones. But that's it locked up. And I shone a light through. James is on the other side checking to see if any light was coming through. And it looks like we're all good. So this might have been a success, hopefully. And you can see now, those seals have covered up where there used to be a gap. And now there's no gap. I left the light. Yeah. It's fun, isn't it? Yeah, hold on. I'll check to the back what's working. Yeah, they're working here. Hold it there, and then I want this. Yeah. Once you click that, the brake lights are on. And the lights come on. Hold on again. Yeah.
Are they flat? They're just standing, are they?
Yeah, standard. Yeah.
Fuck's sake.
Take it out. That one. Now the other one. Yeah.
Is it flashing or just steady?
That one is steady, this one here is flashing. The right one is flashing.
Is it working now?
Yeah, flashing, yeah. Yeah, flash. That's kind of blinking, it's kind of going on and off, yeah.
Go for it. Nice. That is so satisfying. The relay works, you can hear clicking. The bulb works, it's flashing. And the lights in the cluster.
Start up.
Hang on it. Let me just try the indicators. The right one will flick quicker because the bulb is gone, the front right. And the left.
Really?